In his State of the Union address to Congress and the American people in January, President Barack Obama challenged the U.S. automotive industry to go electric.
With more research and incentives, we can break our dependence on oil with biofuels and become the first country to have 1 million electric vehicles on the road by 2015.
That message echoed through the cavernous exhibition halls of the Washington Auto Show, held recently in the nation's capital.
Thank you very much. Enjoy.
A wide array of domestic and imported vehicles was on display, including new, environmentally friendly or green cars, like the Ford Focus Battery Electric, which was singled out for special recognition.
The Green Car Journal is pleased to award its 2011 Green Car Vision Award to the Ford Focus Electric.
Green Car Journal editor Ron Kogan praises the U.S. carmaker for redesigning its best-selling Focus line of gas-powered cars into the Ford Focus battery electric model.
The technology is first rate. It charges in 3 to 4 hours, which is much shorter charge times than some of the competition.
Another crowd pleaser at the auto show was the all-electric 2011 Chevy Volt, introduced by General Motors as a concept car in 2007. GM hopes to put 10,000 Volts on the road this year and 45,000 more in 2012.
It offers the essence of what an electric vehicle should be, with the ability to have an onboard internal combustion engine generator that also creates electricity, so you can just continue driving.
That's been the experience of Jeff Parmet, a lawyer who works from his home in Potomac, Maryland. He says he's not pumped a drop of gas into his Volt since he bought it in December.
There's still a lot of people who don't understand what an electric car is or what the ownership experience is like, that it really is a fun car to drive and an opportunity to not have to buy gasoline, which is, as I said, my goal.
Parmet charges the car's electric battery using a special power adapter in his garage. The Volt gets about 65 kilometers on a single charge. When the battery begins to run low, the onboard gasoline generator kicks in to begin recharging it, extending the car's range up to 480 kilometers. Parmet says this more than meets his needs.
This is an engineering marvel. It's actually a performance car. It really accelerates fast. It handles great, it corners great. My hat is off to Chevy for what they did with this car. I'm just delighted with it.
The Volt runs in eerie silence. On this cold winter day, the only noise is the wind outside. Parmet monitors the Volt's high-tech instrument panel, which includes a rear-view video camera, a navigation system, and an animated battery status screen.
This shows you the energy is flowing from the battery to the wheels. But when I take my foot off the accelerator, it shows that the energy is flowing from the wheels back to the battery. That's what the regenerative braking does.
Back in his garage, Parmet says that while the Volt's price tag is twice that of a similar-sized gas-powered car, it's a price he's willing to pay.
I bought this car because I strongly believe that we need to move off of an oil petroleum-based transportation economy. I want to make a statement. So I felt like this is an opportunity to actually do more than just talk the talk.
Parmet thinks Americans are ready for clean-running alternative cars that can achieve much higher energy efficiencies than today's gas guzzlers. As more and more electric recharging stations are installed in public places around the country, and as vehicle prices begin to come down, Parmet is confident he'll be seeing more and more electric cars joining his on America's highways. Roseanne Skirble, VOA News, Washington.